Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back. Today we are going to be installing the BC coilovers on the Aristo. I think I've only had the car for like a week now, so it's pretty cool. Got some good progress coming along already. I did end up ordering a set of wheels for the car. They're very special. I'm super excited about it. Not going to tell you guys exactly what they are yet, but super excited for those to come. Got a couple other packages here today. Going to open these up and go from there. Quick little side note before we get started. We have 10 more days until Clean Culture Orlando. I don't think we're going to be bringing any of the cars like we wanted to originally, just because they're not really finished and we're starting new projects, but definitely excited to go down there. Keep an eye out for those videos. But for now, let's open these packages up. Alright guys, GoPro attempt 2 here. Yesterday we kind of failed. I was filming in 4K and my laptop doesn't actually support those files when I was uploading it, so I couldn't really use much of it. These are actually the new springs for the new coilovers that I got for the Miata. I ended up selling the BC Racing coilovers as well as the 3-piece wheels that I had on it. Kind of want to go a different direction with the car. I think I'm going to get some nice light racing wheels and really make the car what it was intended for. You know, the 3-piece wheels are cool and all, but they're kind of heavy, and obviously if you're driving and you fuck them up, they're going to be really expensive to fix compared to something like a NQ wheel or something like that. I still definitely want to get some nice wheels for it. They'll probably end up being some work wheels or something like that. But yeah, these are for the True Heart coilovers that I got for the car. And let's get into this package. This is actually a rear window spoiler for the Aristo. It's kind of like a rubberized plastic. Have to heat this up and let it bend back into shape, but that should be pretty cool. Just sticks on with double-sided sticky tape. I might try to end up painting this at some point if it's possible. We'll have to see with the material, but yeah, that should be cool. So these coilovers are actually for the 93 and up GS 300 because they didn't actually make my car in America in 91. But they're the same exact thing. They should work great. Thanks again to SS Euro on Instagram for getting me a good deal on these things. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, so this is the paperwork that comes with it. 92 to 97 GS 300. Got some stickers and stuff. Some warranty stuff. Now the spring rates on these are 12K in the front and 8K in the rear. I'm not sure which ones are which yet until I get to the car. These look like they're the rears with the fork. These are super nice quality. I always love BC Racing. Got the adjustable dampening, all that. Definitely should be able to go pretty low on these things. And then these are the fronts. Same thing. I think I'll probably run these a little soft in the front and a little harder in the rear just because of different spring rates, but should be a nice setup. Got the coilover keys here as well. I think I have like 20 of these things by now, but that's about it for that. Let's go in the garage and get the wheels off. Another quick little thing before we get started. I am going to be doing another giveaway soon. And I'm thinking about giving away this Momo steering wheel that was on the Aristo. I'll probably include a sticker set and all that. So if you haven't already, definitely subscribe. I think we have like 50 more until the next giveaway. And now let's get on to this. All right, we just got the first wheel off. this hood up, and we're gonna have to remove this strut tower bar. Looks like it's gonna be a 14. Definitely need to organize my tools. Perfect. All right, I just got these upper control arm bolts out. So that will literally pull out just like that. And now I should be able to get this coilover out. All right, just got this first one out. I'm not sure what this is attached to the top of this. Some sort of wire attached to it. Huh, that's weird. Not sure what that's for. Yeah, it's super weird. I've never seen anything like this. Looks like it might have some sort of like automatic dampening or something. Maybe when you put it in sport mode. I don't know. It's super cool though. Unfortunately, we can't use it anymore. I'm gonna measure that, and then I'm gonna adjust the new BC. I think I might drop it like 2 inches for now, and then see where it sits from there.
Just like a generic, or is it for an aristo?
Yeah, it's for my car. Alright, so here we have the stock compared to the BC. All I'm going to do is measure from here to here, and then I'm going to make this one 2 inches shorter overall. That should give me a decent drop, and I can always adjust it from there. Alright, that was pretty easy. It was actually already set pretty close to what I wanted, so now I'm just going to throw this on the car. Put the coilover all the way on. I should have room to tighten that. This lighting probably sucks.
It's not looking too bad. Once I get like in here, it like focuses
right
in the dark. All right, keep going. And wait just a second. All right, keep going. And we are in.
just like that.
Perfect. After the strut bar, strut brace.
Throw these top three on. You should be at 14 as well. This back one's kind of hard to get to.
Yeah.
I need to invest in an electric impact.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
One of these days. think I'm gonna end up using this 21mm.
Should be.
See what it looks like.
Alright, moment of truth here.
Once I get them 18s on there,
Get new wheels.
I think that'll be a pretty good ride height. Definitely don't want to go slammed with it.
No, that's not really the car to do it. You can tell the big difference on this side.
Alright guys, just got this other side finished up. Coilover's completely on. Get this front wheel back on, and then we'll start on the rears. Pretty subtle drop. I definitely don't want to go too low right away. I do have some 18s on the way, but I think that's pretty perfect for now. Rears are definitely a lot taller, but gonna move on to those and see what it looks like. So fortunately, unlike the Camry and the Chaser, the rear struts are able to be accessed from the trunk. So that's gonna save me a lot of time. Don't have to take out the rear seat, and these should go by pretty quickly. So the rear here should be super easy. All I have is one bolt at the bottom there, 3 bolts in the back, and that should come right out. All right, after a lot of persuasion, finally got this rear out. Now we can measure it up and get the other one ready to put in there. So this one is 25.5 to the middle of that circle. So I'm gonna go, probably go out to 23. Should go back in the car a lot easier than it was to get it off, just because it's shorter. Just gonna throw this bottom bolt on and then raise it up and put the top pieces on. Let's see how she looks. Still pretty high. Like I said, I don't want to go super low with the car just yet. We still got the other rear to do, so I think once we do that, it will go a little bit lower on this side also. So let's do that and then pull her outside and see how she looks. That is it, guys. Got all the coilovers done. Definitely didn't want to go too low, like I said. Got some medium fitment coming up, but now I want to pull this thing out, see how it looks. I love that little reverse light thing. It's probably one of the best days we've had in Michigan in a long time. Let's check her out. Definitely might end up going a little lower here, but for now, be happy with it. I'd say it's about 2 inches lower overall. Definitely excited for my new wheels. All I can say is that they're one of a kind. They're actually the first of their kind, so other than that, I can't tell you much right now, but super excited to get those. I love these JDM fogs too. These things are actually clear. They just light up so bright that they look yellow. I guess I'm gonna pull her back in for now. Got a couple things I gotta do today. Actually went by pretty quick. I think I spent under 3 hours doing this whole project. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna end this one here. Super smooth project today. Glad it went well. It's really nice out today. I think I'm gonna go bring the dog for a walk or something. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more. We got Orlando coming up in like a week. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.